Buchu leaf, derived from the aromatic Agathosma betulina native to South Africa, emerges as a botanical powerhouse with a tapestry of potential health benefits deeply rooted in traditional herbal practices. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties hint at a versatile ally in alleviating conditions from arthritis to skin afflictions. With a rich antioxidant profile, Buchu leaf safeguards against oxidative stress, contributing to overall wellness. Traditionally hailed for digestive support and respiratory health, Buchu's multifaceted attributes also extend to potential benefits for kidney function, detoxification, and even menstrual health. Here are 11 potential benefits associated with Buchu leaf. Antimicrobial properties. Buchu has demonstrated antimicrobial activity, suggesting its potential in combating various bacterial and fungal infections. Kidney health. By promoting increased urine production, Buchu may contribute to kidney health by assisting in the elimination of waste products and preventing the formation of kidney stones. Detoxification. Buchu's diuretic properties may support the body's natural detoxification processes by aiding in the elimination of toxins through urine. Anti-arthritic benefits. The anti-inflammatory properties of Buchu may offer relief to individuals dealing with arthritis, potentially reducing pain and swelling. Digestive aid. Buchu has been traditionally used to support digestive health, and it may have mild laxative effects, promoting regular bowel movements. Antispasmodic properties. Buchu may have antispasmodic effects, which could help relax muscles and alleviate conditions associated with muscle spasms. Gastrointestinal health. Some traditional uses of Buchu include addressing gastrointestinal issues, such as indigestion and bloating. Respiratory health. Buchu has been used traditionally to address respiratory issues, and its anti-inflammatory properties may contribute to relieving symptoms of respiratory conditions. Antibacterial action. The antimicrobial properties of Buchu may extend to antibacterial effects, potentially aiding in the treatment of bacterial infections. Menstrual health. Buchu has been traditionally used to address menstrual problems, and its diuretic properties may help alleviate bloating and water retention associated with menstruation. Skin conditions. Some traditional uses of Buchu include the treatment of skin conditions, and its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties may contribute to skin health. Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.